wider than gossip, sharper than drama. Sony 11mm F1.8 is the APS-C vlog Kingpin. Let's get one thing straight. This ain't your grandma's pancake lens. The Sony E11mm F1.8 APS-C prime lens is the power tool content creators dream of but never knew they needed. Ultra-wide, ultra-bright, and ultra-sleek, this bad boy lets you capture it all, from cinematic cityscapes to you talking spicy in 4K at arm's length. Its wide 11mm field paired with that glorious f1.8 aperture gives you creamy bokeh and dramatic depth, even in low-light alleyways or your dim-lit YouTube setup. Compact? Absolutely. Lightweight? You won't even notice it until your footage drops jaws. Don't blink or you'll miss it, except your lens won't. With dual linear motors humming like a stealth ninja, this lens locks focus with lightning speed. Even if your subject's bouncing like a toddler on espresso, Sony's AF tracks with obsession-level precision. Forget jittery vlogs or blurry street shots, this thing stays locked tighter than your phone's Face ID. For video creators? It's got focus breathing on a leash and plays nice with Sony's breathing compensation too. Your footage? Smooth, cinematic, and YouTube gold. One lens to shoot them all, and in the darkness, or daylight, bind them. 3 aspherical and 3 ED glass elements make distortion curl up and cry. The Sony 11mm F1.8 delivers corner-to-corner sharpness so clean, your pixels will need a warning label. Field curvature? Nope. Chromatic aberration? Deleted. Whether you're filming epic B-roll or snapping shots for your Wanderlust Wednesdays, this lens doesn't flinch. It stays sharp like your best comebacks, even when zoomed in close with a 0.4-foot minimum focus distance and 0.2x max magnification. That's right, you can practically smell your subject, please don't try. The Sony 11mm f1.8 weighs in at just 181 grams and sits at a lean 66mm by 57.5mm. That's smaller than a Starbucks venti cup but tougher than the gym guy who never skips leg day. Whether you're hiking volcanoes or running from deadlines, its compact size and rugged reliability mean you're always ready to shoot, rain, shine, or chaotic content days. Sony packed pro-grade optics and performance into something so tiny, you'll wonder if it's powered by sorcery. Best part? It pairs with all your APS-C and Super 35E mount cameras like it's been soul bonded. This lens ain't just good, it's that rare, unicorn-tier combo of affordable, future-proof, and freakishly fun. Whether you're a YouTuber, TikToker, traveler, vlogger, or someone who wants to take better selfies and flex on Instagram, this is your secret weapon. It saves you time fiddling with gear, money on extra lenses, and stress on missed focus. It's been tech-tested, street-proven, and fan-approved. TLDR? This isn't just a lens. It's your next creative sidekick, your camera's new crush, and possibly the best decision your content has ever seen. Now go ahead, make wide look wild.